Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Sheets to ShipStation for bulk label creation step-by-step clear. Open your Google Sheets document. Ensure your sheet contains all necessary shipping information, including order numbers, recipient details, and package weights. Navigate to the ShipStation website. Log in to your ShipStation account. In ShipStation, go to the Settings tab. Locate and click on API Settings. Here, you will find your API key and API secret. Make a note of these credentials for later. Return to your Google Sheets document. Click on Extensions in the top menu. Select App Script from the drop-down menu. In the App Script editor, delete any placeholder code that appears. Copy and paste a Google Apps script code configured for interacting with the ShipStation API. Modify the script to include your ShipStation API key and secret. Ensure your code correctly references the columns in your Google Sheet containing order data. Save your script by clicking on the Save icon. Assign a name to your project that reflects its purpose. Next, run the script by clicking on the Play button in the App Script editor. Authorize the script to access your Google Sheet. Check that the script executes without errors and sends order data to ShipStation. Return to ShipStation and navigate to the Orders tab. Confirm that your orders from Google Sheets have been imported. Review the imported orders for accuracy. Select the orders you wish to process for bulk label creation. Click on the Print Labels option. Customize your label settings as needed. Generate the labels and ensure they are printed correctly. Monitor for any errors in the process and address them as they arise. You have now successfully connected Google Sheets to ShipStation for bulk label creation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.